DanceBit is an app that promises fun, fast, and easy dance workouts you can do right at home, aiming to help users lose weight, stay in shape, and even complete a 28-day fitness challenge. With workouts ranging from 7 to 12 minutes, it offers a variety of dance styles like Latin, hip-hop, and aerobics, all designed by experts to help you tone up while syncing your activity with Apple Health. The app is available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, provides clear contact details including email and phone support, and stays active on social media by sharing fitness content regularly. It also supports casting to your TV, which can be convenient during workouts. However, many users have reported issues such as unexpected subscription charges, technical glitches during casting, and trouble accessing content they've paid for. There are also complaints about misleading ads and confusing pricing models, along with a customer support experience that many find frustrating. Some users find it difficult to cancel their subscriptions due to hidden costs or unclear cancellation options. While DanceBit has the potential to be a fun and effective way to get moving at home, the overall experience seems to vary greatly depending on the user, making it something worth exploring cautiously if you're considering giving it a try.